Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set your seat in a Jeep Grand Cherokee. First, locate the power seat controls, typically found on the outboard side of your seat cushion. To move the seat forward or backward, simply slide the horizontal part of the switch in the desired direction. For adjusting the overall height of your seat, push or pull the vertical part of the same switch up or down. These basic adjustments are key to finding your initial comfortable driving position. Next, let's fine-tune your back support. You'll find a separate switch for the seat back, allowing you to recline or bring the seat forward to your preferred angle. For optimal lower back comfort, locate the lumbar switch. This control lets you increase or decrease the amount of lumbar support. You can also move the lumbar support up or down to perfectly align with the curve of your spine, ensuring a comfortable ride. Many Jeep Grand Cherokees feature a memory seat system, perfect for multiple drivers. First, adjust your seat, side mirrors, and even the steering wheel to your ideal positions. Then, press and release the S or set button on the door panel, followed by pressing either 1 or 2 within 5 seconds to save your profile. You can even link a specific key fob to a memory profile through your Uconnect settings, so your vehicle automatically adjusts when you unlock it. Beyond basic adjustments, your Grand Cherokee might offer advanced comfort features. Look for a cushion extender switch to provide additional leg support, which can make a big difference on longer drives. Don't forget to properly adjust your head restraint for safety. You can raise, lower, and even adjust its forward position. Some models also include heated, ventilated, or even massage functions, accessible via buttons or your infotainment screen. For an amazing upgrade to your home cleaning, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.